Hello everyone, welcome to Campkin's RV Center Tips and Tricks. My name is Seep, and for today's episode we're going to talk about shore power and adapters. Most trailers are either a 50 amp, easy to tell by the end of the cord, or a 30 amp, which is the most common. And you'll be able to tell by the end of the cord. It's also quite often listed on the side of your RV what the amperage will be, and that'll bring shore power into your RV. Now, they're generally 25 feet in length. A good idea is to get yourself an extension cord, 25 or 50 feet, just in case you need it. Also, if we're talking about extension cords, consider a surge protector. Now this will go in the post first, as you can see, and then when you plug it in first. It'll show you what the wiring is like at the post, at the source. Then you'll plug in, if everything's good, you'll plug in your RV. This green light will come on and you're surge protected. So number one, you're protected from the wiring of the post. Number two, you're going to be protected from any kind of power surge that'll go through your trailer. A surge will damage your trailer unbelievably. All right. Another problem you might end up with is you're at a campsite and you have a 50 amp source, but there's only 30 available. So what you'll do is you'll take something like this, plug in your 50 amp in this end, okay, and then upside down, this goes into your surge protector. Okay, also, if you're at home, you can also take your 30 amp, step it down to a 15. And then you're able to plug it into the side of the house, your garage. Both adapters do the same thing. Or if you're mooch stocking, maybe you're staying with friends, but you're parked in the driveway. Okay, and of course you can even take a 50 amp and take it right down to 15 amp. The only thing with 15 amp is you cannot run up your air conditioning. But the nice thing about it is if you've got your fridge on, you've got your battery charging, it's a good way to maintain your RV while you're parked. All right, that covers it for this episode. Till next time, happy trails.